you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today we are having a very ultimate video. The most requested video is that true that B2 level is enough to get job in Germany. So guys, to get this answer, do watch this video because this gonna be the perfect detailed answer for your these type of questions. So yes, if you're watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I'm a student and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, and workload. So why to waste time and enroll with German Gyan? Then let's get into this video. Let's go.
Is B2 enough to get a job in Germany, or do you really need C1 certificate? So many students messages saying that ma'am, I have B2, can I start applying now? And the honest answer is it depends. In this video, I'll tell you the real situation in Germany, which jobs accept B2 and where B2 is not enough, and what companies actually expect. This video is for those students who are planning to move to Germany, then Ausbildung aspirants, then job seekers, IT professionals and healthcare professionals. The first sector is office and corporate jobs. IT, engineering, business and marketing. In many corporate jobs, B2 is the minimum requirement, especially in IT and engineering. And international companies may accept strong English, but here's the reality. Even if HR writes BT required, they expect that you understand meetings, you write professional emails, you speak confidently on calls, and you understand fast native speech. Many students pass B2 exam but struggle in real life conversations. The important truth is B2 grammar is not equal to professional fluency. So even if they say that they need B2, make sure that you are able to understand their conversations. Next is for healthcare and medical field, that is for nurses and doctors. Now here B2 is usually not enough because nurses often need B2 plus Fachsprachprüfung. And then doctors usually need C1 medical German, and communication must be precise because mistakes can be dangerous in this field, and if you are planning medical career, start aiming for C1 from the beginning. Ausbildung, that is vocational training. For Ausbildung, many companies accept B1, but B2 increases the chances of getting hired because nowadays all the people are easily doing B1 and makes Berufsschule much easier. And one more thing, B2 students, they adjust much faster than B1 students. So start preparing for B2 level only. Hospitality, retail and restaurant. In this field, sometimes B1 works, but remember that you are going to interact with customers and customers speaks fast, their dialects can be difficult and complaints require confidence. So even you are just or you have just done B1 and then you are appearing for this job interview, you might get this job, but remember, because you have to interact with the people, your language proficiency should be on top notch. That's why instead of appearing or clearing B1 exam, focus on B2 level only, and B2 gives more stability and promotion chances as well. Let's see a quick difference between B1, B2 and C1. So in B1 level, you can do daily conversation, basic workplace communications, and you might struggle with complex discussions. Then comes to B2. In B2 level, like once you have done B2, then you can handle meetings, you can argue and explain opinions, and you can write structured email. And then talking about C1 level, so C1 is comfortable in professional debates, means you are very much comfortable if you are doing any debate, then you understand fast speech and sounds natural and confident. And remember, Germany values communication skills more than certificates alone. So choose the right path according to your preferences. Here we can see what companies really test. So during the interviews, they check your fluency, your confidence, your listening comprehension, your reaction speed and your vocabulary range. And what they do not test, they don't test your perfect grammar, your memorized phrases. So, if you are appearing for or preparing for B2 or preparing for the job interview, remember you have to focus on speaking, not just the exam pattern. And here you have honest advice from one of the best trainer. The B2 level it opens the door, but C1 makes you comfortable. If your goal is to just enter in Germany, you can do B2 and that will be enough. But for the long-term career growth, for better opportunities, start aiming for C1 level. And remember, language is not only exam, it is survival.
So guys, I hope you love this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.